Hatskui seguza wakwego skuna koaga. Nikine uomo nisarade nikine zohak already huage. Nene zohak. Nene tinohota gonda nejarhansa nikine anyway. Nene used to indicate that something happened or will happen in spite of something else. Zohak. Tinio tinegonga. Zohak no yaawon. It will happen anyway. Zohak no yaawon. Zoknegonga. Zohak sahtandi. You should go home anyway. Zohak sahtandi. Zoknegonga. Zohak kwage. I'll keep on loving you anyway. Zohak kwage. Zoknegonga. Yah zohak de waknino. Yawaruhajon do not genu wetne. I didn't buy it anyway, no matter how much I liked it. Yah zohak de waknino. Yawaruhajon do not genu wetne. Zoknegonga. Yawaruhajon yah zohak tagunyu. It doesn't matter. I'm not giving it to you anyway. Yawaruhajon yah zohak tagunyu. Zoknegonga. Wasirun yah dan zohak nahshere. You said no and you did it anyway. Wasirun yah dan zohak nahshere. Okadinize, nizi ize onsatstene zohak.